Hello everyone. In this video, let's talk about loops concept. So in the previous videos, we have covered some of the decision making statements like simple if else, nested if else and if else if ladder. Still we have some decision making statements like switch, break, continue and go to be covered. So before going to learn about the remaining decision making statements, first of all we have to learn about this loops concept. Okay, after the completion of this loops concept, I will explain the remaining decision making statements so that you people will get a better clarity on those concepts. Okay, so first of all let me start about this loop concept. So first coming to the definition of the loop, loop means it is the set of instructions. Okay, loops are nothing but set of instructions or sequence of instructions that are repeated until certain condition is reached. That means some set of instructions, those instructions will be executed repeatedly until the condition is met. Okay, that is called as a loops concept. Okay, that is called as a loop. So here in C language we have two types of loops. What are those? Entry controlled loop and exit controlled loop. So entry controlled loop means it is called as a pre-checking loop. Pre-checking loop means here the condition is checked first. Okay, and then we will execute the body of the loop, that is called as entry control loop. So that's why as the condition we are going to check first, we are calling it as a pre-checking loop. Okay, so first we will check for the condition and then we will execute the body of the loop, that is called as entry control loop. Next coming to exit control loop. So exit control loop means first of all we will execute the body of the loop, later we will check for the condition. So it is also called as a post checking loop. Here the condition is checked later, so that's why we are calling it as a post checking loop. Okay, so in C programming totally we have three types of loop constructs. Those are while loop, do while and for loop. Okay, while loop, do while loop and for loop. So in this video let's learn about while loop. Okay, so while it is an entry controlled loop. Entry controlled loop means first of all we will check for the condition. Okay, and then we will execute the body of the loop. That means it is a pre-checking loop. Here we will check for the condition before executing the body of the loop. Okay, so the syntax for the while loop is while, it is a keyword, okay, followed by condition, and here within the body we will write the, this is the sequence of instructions we will write, that is nothing but a body of the loop. Okay, so the syntax is while, the keyword, it is a keyword in C language, followed by condition. Here we will write the condition. Okay, and this is the body of the loop. Here we will write the statements which are to be executed. Okay, so now let me explain this while loop with an example program. Okay, while loop. So see here hash include stdio.h. Okay, standard input output.h, that is standard input output like printf and scanf. If you want to make use of those functions, we have to include this header file, and hash include conio.h. This is for console input output. Okay, so here in this conio.h, the sum of the functions like a clr ser to clear the screen and get ch. Okay, to read the character from the keyboard. Okay, so these types of functionalities if you are using in your program, we have to use this conio.h. Okay, so clr ser, that is to clear the screen, and get ch. Get means read, ch means character, read the character. So this get ch function is usually used to hold the output screen until the user presses the keyboard. Okay, until the user presses the keyboard, it holds the output screen. That is the main functionality of this get ch function. Okay, so here coming to the main function, int main. Here this program is to print the first 10 natural numbers. Using while loop I am going to print the first 10 natural numbers. Okay, that is the aim of my program. So here I have taken a variable I which is initialized with 1. Okay, so here clear the screen, so it will clear the output screen. And next one is while I is less than or equal to 10. This is my condition. Okay, until this condition is met, this loop of statements will be executed. Okay, so here I am checking for this condition and I am going to print the numbers. Okay, first of all initially I is 1 I is initializer with 1. So 1 is less than or equal to 10. Condition is true. So I am going to print 1 and again I plus plus. I plus plus means now I becomes 2. Okay. So again it will come to the loop. Again it will check for this condition is 2 less than or equal to 10. Condition is true. Right. Again it will print 2 on the output screen and again I plus plus. That means now I becomes a 3. Right. Again it will go to the cursor will go to the loop. 3 is less than or equal to 10. Okay. The condition is true. So it will print the 3 on the output screen and again 3 plus plus, that is 4. Again the cursor will go to the while loop. So now I is initialized with 4. So 4 is less than or equal to 10. So like this until this condition gets false. Okay. Suppose if the condition gets false, it will come out of the loop. Okay. And here just get ch and return 0. Okay. So this is my program. So now let me compile this program. So no errors. Let me run the code. So see here, this is my output. Okay. So first 10 natural numbers I have printed on the output screen. Okay. So that's about the while loop. Thank you.